This is my birthday picture, and of course, I did not spend a dime for the dress, the accessories, the makeup, the hair, not to talk of the money for photo shoot. I did not do anything. I did not spend money on anything. The only thing that belongs to me here is my face. And then the body. Even the body is not 100% mine, because when I generated this particular picture, it gave me this. It gave me this. And I am slim. I am on the slimmer side of me, of this, right? So, okay, I have to, this is me, this is my face, this is exactly what I want, the outfit, everything, this is me. But then, this is not my body. It will be obvious that it is AI. So I have to tell it to reduce it for me. I'm going to show you how, because just in case you do something and AI did not give you your eye, it did not, although my own way is going to give you. In case you are slim, AI hardly give this slimness, but in case you are slim like me, you tell it and it will change it. So there are different apps, but I will go straight to the one that we give you the top-notch quality I am talking about. So let's go. I'll be making use of Grok. This is what it looks like, right? I am making use of it because I have tested Gemini, I've tested ChatGPT, I have tested a lot. If you have been on this channel from the beginning, you know that when it comes to AI, I give it to you back to back. So all you have to do is to download Grok, and once you get to Grok, this is where you come to. This is the interface. You can log in. Even without logging in, you can start, then it might prompt you to log in. So we'll go to Imagine, and then you click on the photo icon close to type to Imagine. You click on the photo you want, right? Edit image, click on it, and then you choose the image you want. This is the particular picture that I choose. You have to choose a picture that is clearly showing your face and exactly how your face is. You don't want to look for a picture that is blurry or something that will not show your face properly. If you do that, it's not going to give you the same thing as you. Then this is the prompt. I'll paste it, and it is long. If you want me to teach you how to prompt, I'm going to also teach you, but I'm dropping this particular prompt in the description box, and I want you to make use of it and tell me how it came out. Okay, this is the prompt, and at the end, you can put what I want to show you in the beginning or at the end, but this time around, I put it at the end, and it said, coming. Use the reference image without changing the facial features, which is my face, of course, skin tone, which is my skin tone, and body size. I did emphasis on body size because of my body size. She is slim, so maintain exact body size. Of course, he did not maintain it to how I want it. So let's go. Then it will start editing image. It doesn't take time. So this is it. You understand? If you check very well, I said, let's go to the color part with glitter black with silver shining stone beaded designs. So that is it. But you can also copy, paste, and change it to any color you want. I love black, right? So you can just come here, change it. Should we do blue? I don't know. Let's just do blue. But I am the black and white lady. So let's go. You see how beautiful. Jeez. I'm talking of that before I forgot. It generates 2 times. Yes. If you put one prompt, 2 pictures will come out. So this is the picture. You see? Which is better? I love this. You see? I can change it to a different color. Just want this one out. I'm saying this just in case you are doing 2-piece. If you also want me to work on 2-piece outfit and everything, that is where I'm going to teach you the prompting. Then you can also tell me, imagine you have 2-piece white. You can also change to different color. People will think that you have different outfits. Of course, this doesn't look like AI at all. Like I said, this is not my body type at all. I am slimmer than it is. So I use Gemini and ChatGPT. You can use any of them, but Gemini came out better. So now that the picture is here and this is not my body type. I don't want to give it body type and it start misbehaving. So I'll just go to ChatGPT and tell it to switch the body size for me. So let's go. So all you have to do is to come to ChatGPT, then the plus sign, you go to photo, choose the picture and done. Then you paste this. Change the body size to a very slim size 6 without changing the face, skin tone and pose. Okay, why I made mention of this because, my network. I made mention of this because my size 6 is not really the regular size 6. I'm kind of slimmer. You just have to put your body size and then you move. But I'm sure yours is going to just come out without the body be coming out in big size. So the image is created. It altered my face a little bit. This is not me, but it's going to work. You save it. After saving it, we are now going to make sure it is me. All you have to do is to click on the plus button, click on gallery, then we are importing these 2 images. Then let's say change picture A body shape. The picture A is the one with my face but not my body. Then picture B is the one with my body but not my face. So change picture A, but change picture A's body shape to a very slim size 6, exactly like picture B, without changing the face, skin tone and pose. So let's go. So it gave us this pose. I even love it, right? But the goal was for you to maintain the same pose. You can tell it to maintain the same pose and then it will. But for the sake of time, we are going with this. Then you download. And then when I downloaded this, I don't just like the rings because it's on. I don't just like the ring. So I also asked it to remove the ring and it did it for me. That is how I got my beautiful birthday shots without paying a dime. You can see how top notch the quality is, right? Very, very good. This is not me though. This is me now. Don't forget that the prompt I will be dropping is just for this particular picture. So if you want me to teach you how to prompt so you can make any type of picture you want, tell me in the comment section and I am going to teach you just that. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.